Assalamu alaikum. I hope everyone is doing well. I'm Hannah Fuad. I create building designs and tutorial. If you have any questions, you can comment below. And if you are new here, don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Today's video is about designing a curtain for a window. Okay, let's start. The first part, I will go to the document. I will click on the line tool and then I will draw 100. Then I will rotate it. Click on the line, then I will rotate it. Ctrl plus E to 60 degree. After that, I will mirror. Ctrl plus Shift plus M. I will select the both lines. Go to the Edit, Grouping, then Group. And then I will click on right click to move, and then drag multiple copies. To copy around 6, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then I will go again to the line, draw 100, and then click on the line, rotate to 30 degree, and then mirror. Ctrl plus Shift plus M. And we'll do the same procedure, going to the Edit, Grouping, and then Group. And then right click, move, drag multiple copies to 6 pieces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Let's check again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. I will select the top part. Drag plus Shift plus D to make another one copy, and then the second part is going to the shell tool. Click on geometric method and the lower part construction method, and then check on the dips. The thickness will be 1 and the elevation depend on 600, and my thickness is 1. It's good. I will start from the point of the lines to the other point. So we're gonna focus on the points we made it around. And I have here 6 parts, which is okay, good. And then we'll right click OK. I will type here around 600, which is gonna be lower for the curtain area, and then OK. I will start the same procedure from this first point and keep going to the edge parts of the lines. Keep going. Okay, almost we are finished. This is the last one, and then right click. Okay, and then we'll go to the second one. It's a similar procedure to the first, but it's a little bit different. Start from the same point, following the same part, and the difference is only after the mentioning the dimension it will change. So here at this point, and then okay, right click. Here it's gonna be at the top, so I will go with a little bit larger, 950. Okay, and then here the difference will be starting to the 30 degree angle, following the edge parts, and then almost this is the 4th, and here is the 5th one, 6th, and then okay to the point and right click. Okay, we are done. So I will make this one another one copy. Shift plus Control plus D and put it the same point, closer to see it, and here the same point. Okay, after that I'll go to the 3D and to see it. So here it's how it look like, and the back of it is the sample. Okay, I will move this one to the top part, which is 950 the height, and this is how it's look like. And I will delete the black one, I don't need it. I'm okay with this one. And then I will click at any point of the edges of the shell, and then I will go to the flat and then apply 10 radius, apply it for all corners, click on it. Okay, and we'll do for the upper part also. We'll click on flat and then okay, 10, apply for all. The same thing for the lower part, which is the height of 600. We'll click on the edge part. Okay, apply for the all, doing the top and the bottom one to get the curve area, which is the radius of the 10. Apply for all the corners. Okay, we are done. Now how it's look like is good. We'll click both of them to change the colors. We'll go to the surface, paint, check all it's open. Okay, and then I will click on pillow color. Okay, here it's called change. It's look like the previous one I have done it sample. Okay, and then I'll go to the ground floor. Here it is how it's look like. So the third part, which is I'm gonna do an extra lines for it's not the third part, the second, but to put an extra curtain back of the front one. So I will go to the right click, move, drag copy, which is multiple copies to increase. And another thing, it will be the similar to the first one we have done it, because the height will be different. So the height of this one will be different, adding the both of the heights, which is 950 plus 600. So I will go to the shell, drawing the lines, the same procedures, following up. Look, now here's out. I will start from again and then keep going from one point to another point. Okay, it's good. Keep going until the end part. We have to be focusing on the lines and the edges. Okay, and then the last one point. Okay, right click, and here we'll type, adding the both numbers. We'll write here around like adding the 950 plus 600 will be 1550. Okay, and then done. And then we'll do the same procedures, following up. Okay, it is similar to the first one we have done it, but there is no curve shell. This all is gonna be straight way look like, so it's okay. Now we'll go to the 3D view to see it. Okay, now it's good. We'll click on the shell tool at the edge part and click on the flat and change the radius to 10, apply for all corner, and we'll do the similar way to the bottom of the shell. We'll click on the flat and then 10, apply for all corner. Okay, good. We'll go to the surface to change the color to the curtain, which is transparent white. A little bit is visible for the back area. And then we'll go to the ground floor to move it a little bit closer to the first one. Okay, a little bit to see it. Okay, then I will go to 3D to check how it's look like. Okay, I will adjust the position between the first and the second one. Okay, again, it's need to move a little bit back, a little bit. Okay, and now we are done with the first and the second part. This is how it look like. And to add more accessories, we'll go to ground floor, and the third part will be clicking on the slab too. Okay, we'll draw around between the first one and the second one to make an accessories that's holding the curtain. and a little bit I will decrease the size around 12, and then I will go to the second one around same way 12, and make it closer to the curtain. See here, it is at the lower part. We'll move it up the elevation height of this one and change the height of it to 10. It looks small, so I will increase a little bit, which is 50. I will move it down, lower part. Yes, now it's good. And then I will change the color, going to the surface, click on all parts, and yeah, match it with the paint lead oxide yellow. I will click on the digit part of it and flip this one, similar. And here we go. It is good, and it look like the accessories for the holding the two parts. And see, the top part is 950 and the lower is 600 the height, and the back of it is the total. And see here the previous one, and we can add accessories if you want at the top, like what we added at the bottom now, using the slab way. This is how it look like. We can move this one a little bit back, because I feel like it is visible in front. Now it's good. So if you have any questions, you can ask below, and thank you for watching.